Hey, Happy New Year to you. Just cleaning up some video files, and I found this footage of soybean harvest taken in November. It just never got uploaded to YouTube. Already had the video edited, ready to go, just never got it uploaded. So here it is. I was going to say the last of the soybean harvest, but I still have 10 acres. Here it is, January, what is today? January 5th. I've still got 10 acres of soybeans in the field. It's one field that stays wet all the time. I'm waiting for some freezing weather so I can get out there and get them. May not be anything out there by the time I can get to them, but we've just had rain upon rain upon rain every other day. It seems like it rains. But the last of the soybean harvest, other than the 10 acres, mainly a lot of pictures. I don't have a lot of video, but here it is. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hey, I've got a breeze blowing. I think soybeans have dried out and I can start cutting, so let's go for it. So with the wet weather and the elections, of course, I just wasn't in the mood to do much video recording of the soybean harvest, but here are some pictures I took instead. This particular farm, yeah, it was wet, as you can see there. We left a lot of tracks in the field. But we did get all of the soybeans out on this particular farm. These pictures were taken with a Nikon 3100 camera. I do like taking pictures, got thousands and thousands on my computer. So here are just a few pictures I took one morning waiting for the dew and the fog to lift and dry off. Some close-up shots, just different shots of the trees, the fields, the truck, the combine. So yeah, not much here, but pictures. Okay, I really am getting tired of talking about tropical storms. Tropical Storm Eta, yes. We got rain from Tropical Storm Eta, and we got lots of rain. I recorded over 6 inches at my house, but nope, not quite as much down here at the farm. Looks like we have 2.9 inches here. That's still a lot of rain. We don't have many more days that this rain gauge can stay out before it starts to freeze. I should probably take it in now, but I think we still got another week or two before we're talking about freezing weather. So yeah, it is darn wet. I know it's going to be a week or more before we get back into the fields. If then, I mean, it was already wet before this, and to add another 3 to 6 inches of rain on top of what we already had. Wow, the rain is just never going to stop. So not a whole lot I can do. I'm going to go in here to the shop now and clean up a little bit, and I guess I can go home. It's Friday, so I can start drinking early tonight, it looks like, or maybe after 12 I can start drinking. That's maybe what I'll do. Who knows? Okay. Yeah, I had a little problem yesterday evening. I jammed the thing up, and it took me a while to get all of that out of there, and it was a trickle-down effect. The belt up here, this one here, driving the straw chopper,
this belt broke. I haven't figured out why or how, but I guess it was just a bad belt. So that belt broke. Straw chopper stopped turning. Well, my sensor was not connected. I did not connect this thing after I windrowed the wheat. Put the straw chopper back in place. Forgot to connect the sensor, so when the straw chopper stopped, when the belt broke, it didn't give me a warning sign. So then with that straw chopper being broke, it just built up all on the walkers and jammed it up. So it wasn't until the walkers got tight and they stopped turning that the buzzer went off, and by that time it was jammed pretty good. But surprisingly, I had that belt on my shelf. So it didn't take long to put the new belt on. About 15 minutes was all it took. But it was about an hour and 15 minutes getting that out of there. But finally did it. Just kept pulling. Arms are sore this morning, but it's good. I've just replaced the knife in the header, so I'm going to cut some beans now. Let's hope all goes well. All right, on the other side of the trees is the neighbor's field that they cut 2 weeks ago. You can see tracks. They left a lot of tracks out there, and that was before the 6 inches of rain I had last week. And so here's what I've got going on in this field, and I'm gonna track this field up as well. It's gonna be just as bad, I'm sure. I've made one pass down through here yesterday, so I'm gonna move over this way. It should get better as I come over this way. Not sure about that part over there if I can get it, but let's do it. See ya.